Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this brand new Amazon Fire TV stick. This is the 4K Max streaming device which supports Wi-Fi 6E. Alright, so today we've received our Fire Stick. This is the 4K Max. This one is much like the other ones except for the storage on this is 16 gigabyte. They also offer Wi-Fi 6E, which you have a better internet connection. With the 6E is compatible with the Wi-Fi 6 router, like the EO Pro 6E, which required the Fire Stick TV 4 Max is compatible. It's got the Alexa 4K high dramatic range. It's got Dolby Quad Core 2.0 6E power volume controls, and this one here is beefed up to 16 gigabyte of storage. So now those people that have a lot of apps such as myself, we do have extra storage just like the Fire Cube. So inside the box is just like the other ones. You get the remote control, you get the Fire Stick, and you also get the power cord. So right here is the remote control. So inside you also get the included batteries. So there's your power button, your Alexa button, you have your volume up and down, home, and all the buttons the same. You've got Prime, Netflix, DirecTV, and this time they've added Peacock TV. So you can see those home buttons right there, and there's the power button. So you just slide this down and you install the batteries, which are included in this box. So you can see that it takes 2 batteries, which are included. So just going to go put that aside, and then we're going to dive into the Fire Stick itself. So this is the most powerful 4K streaming stick that they have on the market right now. This one is a powerful 2.0 gigahertz quad-core processor with a lightning fast app. It is the next-gen Wi-Fi 6E, which supports smoother streaming and durable storage for even more downloads. You can choose from 1.5 million movies and TV shows that they have in their store. So the Wi-Fi 6, which it does support, it's Fire TV Ambient Experience, digital Dolby Atmos. It has a HDR10 plus, 16 gigabyte of storage. Press and ask Alexa. It works with the smart home and cloud gaming. So with the Wi-Fi 6, it offers faster speeds. It is the Spectrum, delivers fast speeds and lower latency for smoother streaming and super responsive gaming. It has a tri-band, supports 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz band, and the also new 6 gigahertz, making it super easy to access and enjoy all 4K content. So right here is the adapter that you can plug onto the Fire Stick to the back of your TV. And again, you do get the power cord that goes into the back of the Fire Stick, and you also get the brick that goes into the back of the wall. You get a little help guide right here that basically tells you how to set it up, which we all know how to set it up. So with this, you can choose from over 2,000 works of fine art or public preview of designs on the masterpiece. It has helpful widgets, instant ambience, from the smart to home control to smart living. You can ask Alexa. It can control lights, locks, cameras, soundbar, smart plug, as well as thermostats. This has the most storage in a Fire Stick. All the other Fire Sticks of previous models only have 8 gig, where this one has 16 gigabytes, so that's enough storage for all your apps and games. And just like previous models, they do supply with 2 batteries for the Fire Stick right here, so you can just put that on, so it works right out the box. You do not have to buy any batteries, as it does come with batteries. You just pop these in here, right here. So now we're ready to set up our Fire Stick. So we're just going to make our way to the TV, and we are going to start our Fire Stick. First off, we're going to do is plug our Fire Stick inside the adapter, and then we're going to take the adapter, plug it in the back of the TV, as well as the power plug. So we will be right back as soon as we get this all connected to our TV. Alright, so right now it is connected to our TV, so we're going to go into some settings to set this up. So first off, it's going to go in the menu. It wants you to change your language. You can pick your language, so I'm just going to click on English. Then it's going to say set up with remote, or you can do with the Fire TV app. We just did with the remote. So now we're going to check our Wi-Fi network. We're going to connect to our Wi-Fi network. Once we connect our Wi-Fi network, it's going to look for the latest updates. So now it's connecting to the network, so it's connection successful. So now what we're going to do is wait for it to connect, and then it's going to check for updates. So we're going to go ahead and update that. So now that it's updated, we can restore it from previous devices. So I'm just going to do my living room Fire Cube. That way all my apps that are on my cube will be on my Fire Stick. So now that is restoring and it says welcome to the Fire TV. Now we're at the home menu. You can see once I go from one app to the other and I scroll down, it's super fast. It does not have any lag. I like the fact that it is connected to the Wi-Fi 6, so there is no lagging. It just cuts like butter. It looks really nice. It is high definition. This is by far the best Fire Stick that they have right now. And with it having 16 gigabyte of storage, you have enough room to put all the apps that you need. So if you're debating or contemplating about getting the brand new Fire Stick 4K Max, I would definitely say I would recommend it. It is super nice. The fact that you get a lot more storage than the previous models is definitely a plus in my book, and it is super nice. So I definitely recommend checking this one out.